Hi everyone, today we're looking at converting percentages to fractions. So one of the most important things we have to remember is percent. That word actually means out of 100. So out of 100. So when we're looking at something that is 100%, 100%, that means that we have 100 parts out of a total of 100 parts. We also know that as one whole. Alright, so from there we can look at others such as 50%. 50% means we have 50 parts out of a possible 100 parts. So that's the simplest way to convert it to a fraction. Once we've done that, we need to simplify that fraction. Remember, to do that, the first thing we could do here would be to divide both of those by 10. Divide by 10 on both lines. So 50 divided by 10 would equal 5. 100 divided by 10 would equal 10. So our fraction now is 5/10. We can take this one step further. We can find the highest common factor between these two numbers. So something that multiplies into both of these numbers. We know the factors of 5 are 1 and 5. Factors of 10 are 1 and 10, 2 and 5. So this one here, the 5, is the highest common factor. So we would do 5/10, divide this by 5 equals 1. 10 divided by 5 equals 2. Therefore, we can see that 50% is the same as 50 hundredths, which is the same as 5/10, which is the same as 1/2. That is the most simple form of that fraction. Percentages aren't always as straightforward as using 100% or 50%. Say for example, we've got 30% that we want to find. 30% is 30 parts out of a total 100 parts. To simplify that one, I would start again by dividing it by the highest common factor. So factors of 30 are going to be 1 and 30, 2 and 15, 3 and 10, 5 and 6. Then I go down to my 100. So we've got 1 and 100, 2 and 50. We have 4 and 25, 5 and 20, and we have 10 times 10. So with those, I look for the highest common factor. When I go through those, 30 is the highest here. I don't have 30 here. 15, so 10 is the highest common factor. So that's what I'm going to divide both of those lines by. So 30 divided by 10 equals 3. 100 divided by 10 equals 10. So my simplified fraction ends up being 3/10. One last example. If I had 65%, 65% is 65 parts out of a total of 100 parts. Now, to simplify that one, I could start with, say, dividing both of those by 5. So I'm going to divide that by 5, divide that by 5. 65 divided by 5, I don't know that off the top of my head, so I would do 65 divided by 5. 5 goes into 6 once, with 1 remaining. 5 goes into 15 3 times. So 65 divided by 15 equals 13. 100 divided by 5 equals 20. So my simplified fraction would be 13 twentieths.